Hi students, uh, after depreciation, let us learn accounts from incomplete records, that is also called single entry system. Okay, what is the main thing which present in single entry system means, unlike in trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet, here you won't find these types of accounts in single entry system. It is the oldest form of accounting system where there will be no rules and regulation, and they won't follow the dual double entry system. That is, in one account it will be debited and in one account it will be credited. Okay, as in first year you have learned journal entries, one will be debited, one will be credited, but in single entry system you won't follow this. Okay, just they will maintain cash book and sometimes personal accounts. Okay, they don't maintain all these things, and at the end to find out the profit and loss account, generally profit and loss we will make a balance sheet, that is complete financial statement, trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. But in single entry system there will be statement of affairs to find out the profit and loss of the company. Generally the base thing here is they will take into consideration what is the capital at the beginning and what is the capital at the end. Okay, ఒక ఇయర్కి ముందు స్టార్టింగ్లో పెట్టుబడి ఎంత ఉండే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 1 lakh ఉండే బిజినెస్లో, 1 year తర్వాత 1,50,000 ఉందనుకోండి, దట్ ఈస్ క్యాపిటల్ ఎట్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇయర్. సో 1,50,000 పెరిగింది అట్లా చూపిస్తారు. ఓకే, so here we will make one account called as statement of affairs to find out the profit and loss of the business. In this, only one single formula you have to take into consideration. You have to by heart this steps. First, whatever the problem will be given, you have to first write the capital at the end of the year. In the question they will mention capital at the end of the year. In that you have to add drawings, add means kalpukoval, add drawings during the year. Okay, then whatever the answer will come, whatever the amount will become, from that you have to deduct the additional capital introduced during the year. ఏదైనా అడిషనల్ పెట్టుబడి ఏమైనా ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేస్తే దానికి తీసేసేయాలి, లెస్ చేయాలి, మైనస్ చేయాలి. లాస్ట్లీ దాని నుంచి ఆ తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఏమిటంటే you have to less capital at the beginning of the year. మన పెట్టుబడి బిగినింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇయర్ ఎంత ఉంది అది తీసేసేయాలి. ఓకే, అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఇఫ్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ప్లస్ దట్ విల్ బి ప్రాఫిట్, ఇఫ్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ మైనస్ దట్ విల్ బి లాస్. ఓకే, జస్ట్ టేక్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, దట్ ఈస్ క్యాపిటల్ at the end of the year of a business is 80,000 rupees. Okay, and drawings during that, drawing you know very well, drawings ante emti, anything, the amount or the goods taken from the business for personal use is called as a drawings. Okay, so the statement of affairs to find out the profit and loss, this is the formula, capital at the end of the year. For example, we have taken capital at the end of the year as 80,000. Add drawings during the year. Okay, drawings is nothing but the amount or the goods withdrawn from the business for personal use. సొంత వాడుక కోసం ఏమైనా మనం అమౌంట్ ఆర్ గూడ్స్ తీస్తే బిజినెస్ నుంచి అది డ్రాయింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి, అది యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, సో హియర్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 5,000. యూ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్ ఇట్. So it will become 85,000. Okay, then less additional capital introduced during the year. Okay, additional capital introduced during the year is just take it as a 10,000. So you have to deduct. Less means deduct, minus cheskoval. So it will be 0, 0, 0, 75,000. Okay, after that less capital at the beginning of the year. What is the capital at the beginning of the year? That should be deducted. Like for example 60,000. Okay, so the balance is favorable, that is it is in plus, that is 75,000 minus 60,000, it will be 15,000. So this is the profit of this business. Okay, with this formula you have to do that. All the problems will be based on this formula only, that is you have to remember and by heart this. Tomorrow I'm going to, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will make a call to you and I will ask it, okay, orally you have to say and do problems. Okay, capital at the end of the year, in that you have to add drawings during the year, you have to less additional capital introduced during the year, then you have to less capital at the beginning of the year. So what if the answer is in minus? For example, here 60,000 is there and capital at the beginning of the year is 75,000. Then from 60,000, 75,000 minus 50,000, 15,000 will come. Minus means it will be loss for the business. Okay, that you have to find out. Okay, I hope you understood this, and in next class I will show in details. Mostly I will post a few questions related to single entry system. You do it on paper, okay, write it on the paper and post to my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you for today.